Since I'm here all day, we're up here on Revolution, Central Shopping District. You know, y'all can get all your souvenir stuff and whatnot. This place right here, where I tell you, you can see by the speakers up in this joint, when that spring break stuff used to go down heavily out here, this club, it was like 3 clubs in a row right here on Revolution where it was going down at. At night, he said happy hour, it still goes down. So, what we're gonna eat? I don't even know. We're probably gonna get, I don't know, something hot and bubbly. So we're gonna see what we can eat here, y'all. What should I get? What should I get? Tuna salad, guacamole with chips. Yeah, we're gonna have to get some chips for sure. Yeah, we're gonna ask what the question is on the mixed molechate. I don't know what that is, but it probably hopefully is a mixer of shrimp, meat, and chicken maybe together. If we can get that, that'd be a combo meal. We could probably make that happen. So yeah, stay tuned. Money's Car Stereo on the move. Or should I say, Money's Car Stereo. These are the, yeah. Down and dirty on the ground.
Here, this got sauce if you want to try.
Okay.
And got room enough for.
All right, for sure. So what is this called again, my friend?
That's a molcajete.
Molcajete.
That's a mixed molcajete. They got shrimp, beef, and chicken.
What's this red stuff right here? What's that?
Oh, that's pork.
Oh, okay. So we got the combo plate here, and this thing is hot.
That's hot. This one, they put it in the fire.
Okay.
It can be hot with cheese.
Okay.
With the cheese.
Question: you speak English pretty well. You was in America for a little while.
Yeah.
What part of America was you in?
Orange County, Anaheim.
So what got you back on the TJ side?
Same member.
God damn it!
Life, my friend.
So question: since you were gang life, we're not in the gang question, but how long were you there before you got into a situation that sent you home?
I grew up over there.
But you had no documentation or something?
Nah, not really.
And so when your gang activity got you back here, so can you ever go back?
Yeah, I'm trying right now.
Okay, so are you gonna?
I got married with a girl with a citizen, so right now we're gonna
So
start.
you working it out to get you back? Would you rather be here or there?
I like to work over there and live here.
Oh, okay, that's better. Oh, you heard it. He said he'd rather be transmitting back and forth.
Yeah, that's better. I mean, get money over there, live right here.
Yeah, cheaper here.
Cheap and live good.
Yeah, I see. All right, thank you, my friend, for the information. Like I said, this is another day in TJ. So we got some tortillas to go with that there. And bam. If you don't know the saying by now, you know how it goes. This could be you, but you weren't here. See those arches in the background? You can see that from the America side. We're in downtown TJ at Rosarito. On Revolution, eating some food. Yeah. Give me a lemonade to go. Like you say, this is your official wear when you come to a place of such, you know. You don't want to look like touristy, even though my skin color, I'm not blending, but you don't want to be doing too much, because that could be a problem, doing too much. Gotta go. One day I walked around so long, I haven't found where the material's coming from. Probably one of many stores where you can buy interior parts at and stuff. So yeah, you can buy your panels and stuff, all your material stuff. Let me see. So you can buy. Okay. Leather hides. Yeah, you can get it all. Hey, that's right. So my man Juan and them, they did buffed up the truck, gave me some revitalization. Now they are, as you see, I'm on gloss status now, glass. I'm talking about I'm smooth. The old chips and stuff is there. That's okay because they was there. But they already hit my front over, and so now they're finna paint the bumpers, the bumper and the tailgate. It's been a process, but we getting it done in one day. Like I said, they already buffed out the whole truck over, and so now they working the bumpers. On the Volkswagen, we're almost done. We got they reworked my doors, and they didn't know how the seat went in here because they put the seats all in wrong. Yeah, they couldn't figure out how to line it up, but I know how it lines up. So they got my. The Volkswagen's on point. Got some new bumpers to go on here pretty soon. We got a fender seals in, so that's good. 2200. Okay, on 2200. So is this gonna be gloss black, flat black? What?
No, it's almost it's black with a pearl.
Oh, black with a pearl.
Yeah, you see, we take them off the front windshield because this one you have a gasket right here close to the metal. And we don't want to put tape right there because if we put tape, it's no good.
Okay.
We need to take them off the windshield.
Oh, okay.
And we take them off this windshield too because it's too close to the gasket. So we can try to do it the best.
So it will look like it come that way. No way for the paint to peel back up. Because I see you have taken it all the way apart.
Yeah, all
door handles, everything.
Yes, everything.
So, because I know next two doors down, I've been getting good price, but so work.
Yeah,
and so
the material we use too is a good material.
Okay.
The material we going to use right here, the clear handle like 15 years.
Oh.
It's good material, and another one, that one, 10 years.
Oh, okay. So, do you have a business card or something?
Yes.
Because I come from America, from the Bay Area,
yes,
and a lot of my friends are asking me, well, who do I talk to when I come?
Yeah.
And so, I've been talking to people on the whole block, getting the business card, and letting them know that, hey, these are the places that you can come to see. So, question, I know it's hard to give a person a number without seeing the car, but do you have can they call you like through WhatsApp and send you pictures and maybe?
Right here, right there, or right here.
Okay, so you can send these guys WhatsApp pictures and he can give a description and he can give you a general price. Like I said, he cannot give you exact price without seeing the car, but at least you'll know where to go.
You see like a down?
Oh, wow.
And we started from the bottom. For this one, we charge 5,000.
Okay. So
you see the work?
Yeah, I see. Because Porsches are they have to be very, very perfect though when you do these kind of cars.
Well,
you know,
have to do it right.
You have to do it right. Yeah.
And this one too.
When I first started coming down here, I see a lot of these here, and I said, "This guy, hey, he gets some the Volkswagen Vanagons."
All the way to the middle, so we can start it from the bottom. So that way you don't have no rust.
No rust. Okay.
And, you can give it paid for a lot of years.
Yeah, because I have some older cars that I'm going to bring down here next when I finish. I have a Mustang over there, the green Mustang up the street, the Volkswagen there. They're fixing my truck, but the work is okay. I have more higher priced cars next. I have old Impalas. And so I need to get those with people who can do it one time and not coming back and forth because they make a mistake or it's not ready, you know.
When you're ready, you let me know and we try to make a deal.
Okay, for sure. I got your number now on your card, and I'll shoot you pictures and we can start a conversation when I'm ready.
Yes, thank you, amigo.
And your name is?
Ramiro.
He's
right there.
Okay, we got you. Thank you very much, my friend. I appreciate you. All right. You heard that, you guys. And he's doing cars, as you see right here, like, you know, some nice stuff. And so, like I was saying in my other videos, and this is the place right there, and he's doing stuff that, you know, you say, oh my goodness. And so, like, look at this. I saw this earlier today, and it's black. You know, when you do black, you gotta be straight. If you don't do black straight, it's gonna come back and get you. So, hey, that's what I'm talking about. That's right.